Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
What's up, my babies? It's your girl, D to the Y to the M to the O to the N to the D. Y'all already know it is your girl, Diamond. And if y'all new to my channel, welcome and welcome back. And if you true to my channel, hey, my rich babes. Y'all already know who it is. So, y'all, it is finally 2025. Happy New Year, baby. Happy New Year. New you, new me, new us. Y'all, let's get it. Let's win, my rich babies, okay? So, yeah, y'all, I am coming on here because I want to show y'all how to make a vision board for free, because y'all, we gonna get them vision boards out this year, okay? We is gonna get them vision boards out this freaking year. We are going to win this year. We're going to grind. We're gonna open these businesses. We're gonna work our tail off. So, my babies, like I was saying, yes, we are going to win this year, y'all. We're gonna grind. It is so easy to make businesses. When I tell y'all it is easy to make business, and I don't express that enough, because like I say this on every last one of my channels. If you a business owner, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call yourself, if you that, baby, get to it. It's so easy right now, y'all. Cost of living is going up. The economy is crazy, okay? So get to it, honey, and start dropping content, because 2025, I am dropping content. I don't care if I'm just posting, telling y'all what I'm doing, y'all. I'm posting. 2025, I am posting. So make sure y'all follow our social medias. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, okay? I'ma speak back. I love y'all too much. I'm gonna speak back. I love y'all, love everybody, okay? So I'm going to speak back, talk back or whatever, because that's just me. That's my preference. I am so sweet, y'all. I got a kind heart. I'm definitely going to say something in the comments. Leave a comment. Giving this video, giving any one of my videos, any video that y'all watch or whatever, make sure y'all just please give it a big like. Give it a big like, y'all. The likes matter. The likes count. Please like the videos. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to express it enough that it's free. It is free. You can't find too many things that free. But yeah. Anyway, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, you guys, my rich babes. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna put it up here on the screen. As y'all see, I just put my Safari on, and I typed in Mercedes-Benz. Okay, if you want a car, put that car, whatever kind of car you want, put it on there. Go to the images on the screen. Okay, as y'all see, I'm doing right now. I'm just picking something just to show y'all how to do it. You hold down the car or whatever, and you press save to photos. You're gonna save that to photos. Then go back in the search bar and you put whatever else you want there. And me, I'm putting a house, okay? And I'm gonna type in house. You see those big pretty houses? Yes, them are so freaking nice. I saved 2 photos, okay? It's gonna get ratchet. It's gonna get ratchet. No, I'm just playing, y'all. It's gonna get good. I'm gonna show you how to do it, okay? I typed in Bible because I said I want to pray more. I want to give my all glory to God. I want to pray more. I want to get on my knees more, y'all. I like that one, but then again, I was like, okay, I don't want to put a black Bible, so I just grabbed up a Bible, and then I'm gonna show y'all how my Bible came out, okay? You okay, baby? Okay, so I just saved that to photo, and then I went back up to search or whatever, and I'm going to type in planes. As y'all can see on the screen, I typed in planes. Went to the planes. Just saw one in the planes, because look, we want to travel more in 2025. We ain't getting younger. We getting older. We still getting younger, but we, you get what I'm saying. So I'm just going to save that right there, like I did. Save to photos, okay? Save to photos. Exit out. Now, this is where it gets tricky at. Photo room. If y'all don't have photo room, download photo room, okay? Y'all see that? Photo room. Okay, it's slowing up a little bit, but I mean, we gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Okay, so you go to photo room and you start at the bottom, the little start right there. We're gonna start that. And then you enter, you're just gonna go to your pictures, and guess what? It's gonna automatically erase the background. And then you just put it wherever you want to put it at. Then I use the story font. So I just type in new home. Okay, new home, just like that. And then I changed my color. Of course, pink. Pink is for the girlies, okay? Purple too, but I love me some pink. And I just put the new home font over the house. And then I push insert again. And this is where I put the plane. You see? Removing background. And y'all, this is not pro, okay? This is not pro. This is just regular. But if you want pro, you can get pro. But I just do it like this. I found it's easy to me. And instead of saving it, I'm going to show y'all at the end. Travel more. I just put travel more. That's it. Just keep on doing this over and over. Change your color or whatever. And you can pick whatever background you want. So I just put travel more right there. And just I don't like it right here. So I'm just going to rearrange it and things of that nature. And yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. You can put it how you want it, how you like it. Change your color, how you want it, how you like it. And then, sorry, I accidentally moved the background. Like I said, you can change the background. You can click on the whole thing and change your background too, like that. I accidentally removed the dang on travel more. So now I have to type it back in. And like I said, I used the font story, changed my color, and put it right here. But I mean, I'm just doing a test one for you guys. This is not mine. I'm gonna actually show y'all mine. And then I put the Bible, as y'all see, is removing the background. Put the Bible on there, and just placed it wherever it didn't fit right there. I didn't like it. You know, I'm just showing y'all how y'all can do it for free. You know, I know a lot of people, they like to go to the dollar store and stuff. I like to do that too. I used to do that and, you know, go buy the scissors, go print out all these papers and, you know, cut them up. Yeah, that's fun. But like you say, I listened to a motivation speaker, and it was Steve Harvey, and he said when people wake up in the morning times, like when they wake up in the morning time, the first thing that you do is pick up your phone. Either you picking up your phone to see your time, either you picking up the phone to basically checking notifications, emails, text messages, all that, you know, all that things in that nature. But he say a lot of people put pictures of their children, pictures of them, like I was saying, put pictures of themselves, put pictures of their children in front of their phone or whatever. That's cool, y'all. That's cool, because I was doing the same thing. But then again, he said when he wake up in the morning time, he want to see his vision board. So he put it in the front of his phone, as well as myself. I put my vision board in the front of my phone. So when I wake up, I know that there's things this year, next year in life, period, that I want to accomplish. So I put my vision board as my screensaver. But let's get back into it, y'all. As y'all saw, I put the Mercedes up there. Y'all saw it exit out the background on it. And I like fixed it on there. And then I just, you know, same old. I just typed in new car or whatever. I'm exiting out of that one because I accidentally used the wrong font. But yeah, it's just the same old. Use the story font. That's the one that I use, but y'all can use either one. Make your stuff how you want to make your vision board. I put new car up there, and then I just insert the text, whatever. You can put as much stuff on your vision board as you want. Just know it don't have to be 2 things, 3 things. If it's 2 things you want to check off your vision board, then put that. If it's 3 things, if it's 17 things you want to check off your vision board, baby, put it on there. Let's accomplish these goals this year. Now I'm putting on my 2025 vision board, but I want to make it a little cutesy, okay? So I put my little pink horse, what I put on everything. Even when y'all write me in the comments, I'm going to put my pink horse, just because it's all love, baby. It's all love. So 2025 vision board, pink heart, okay? Put that at the top of it, change the color, and woo-la, that's high. Woo-la, boo-la, hoo-la, that is hot. That's how we roll. Okay, that's how it go, okay? Okay, let's get to the fun part. So you will not have to pay for it. I screenshot it. Y'all see that? Yeah, I screenshot it. Then I go to the end of it and I edit it to the size that I want to edit it of. And then I save it to my photos. And I went over to my photos, okay? Went over to my photos and voila, there we are. Okay, and that's the end of it. And so, y'all, this is how my vision board look. I already prayed over it. I already manifested over it because nobody can pray over my damn fall. So I already prayed and asked God. I got on my knees, baby. I got on my knees and prayed to God. Because I know with all things, God, He will make a way, honey. He will make a way out of no way, and He won't put nothing too much on you that you cannot bear. Okay, so this is my vision board. Boom. Love it. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, so that's my vision board, and yeah, this is the video for today. How to make a vision board for free, okay? For the free. And with that being said, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure y'all hit that like button for free. Hit that subscribe button for free if y'all want me to drop more jars. Bye, and Happy New Year's. I gotta go to work, y'all. Bye.